In the shadowy edge of modern conflict, cyber warfare quietly tests the boundaries of nations and daily life. A single breach can cripple hospitals, darken power grids, or erase vital records, revealing how digital threats reshape reality. Experts warn that online safety is not optional and urge stronger cybersecurity to defend citizens against unseen attackers. Viewers are asked to consider which future tech could become a weapon and how they would protect their data at home and work. Will the next generation of cyber operations stay beneath the radar or spark a global rethink of online safety and trust?